Welcome to TINACloud, the cloud-based, multi-language version of the popular circuit simulation software, TINA DesignSuite. Now, running in your browser without installation, anywhere in the world. TINACloud runs on most operating systems, including Windows, Linux, macOS, iOS, Android, and computers including PCs, Macs, thin clients, tablets, even on many smartphones, smart TVs, and e-book readers. TINACloud allows you to analyze and design analog, digital, microcontroller, now also including the popular ESP32 microcontroller family, switched mode power supply, nonlinear radio frequency, and microwave, communication and optoelectronic circuits. It also allows you to use manufacturers' SPICE models, hardware description languages, and test microcontroller applications in mixed circuit environment. In addition to SPICE, TINACloud also includes 5 major hardware description languages: VHDL, Verilog, Verilog A and AMS, SystemC, for modeling modern, complex integrated circuits in mixed circuit environments such as SAR and Sigma Delta ADCs, DAC converters with SPI, digital power ICs with I2C and PM bus, digital filters. More than 1,400 microcontrollers, PIC, AVR, 8051, HCS, ARM, ESP32, ST, Arduino, XMC, and more. Here are a few examples: Mixed SPICE and VHDL, Mixed SPICE and Verilog, Mixed SPICE and Verilog AMS, Mixed SPICE and SystemC.
AI tools in TINA and TINACloud offer a flexible, user-friendly interface for various engineering tasks, including circuit design, simulation, code generation, and education, such as providing information on circuits, designing LDO and SMPS power supply circuits, designing active and passive filters, designing analog oscillators and digital clock generators, selecting and redesigning evaluation circuits from different manufacturers, and more.
Another unique feature of TINACloud is the Symbolic Analysis capability. Symbolic Analysis produces the closed-form expression of the transfer function, equivalent resistance, impedance, or response of analog linear networks. In DC and AC analysis mode, TINACloud derives formulas in full symbolic or semi-symbolic form. In transient analysis, the response is determined as a function of time. Circuit variables can be referenced either as symbolic names or by value. Through symbolic analysis, poles and zeros of linear circuits can be calculated and plotted as well. For example, let's see the symbolic and numerical analysis results of an active bandpass filter. TINACloud is extended with the fully integrated PCB Designer of TINA. Main features include the following: auto placement and auto routing, follow me trace placement, DRC, forward and backward annotation, pin, gate swapping, keep in, out areas, thermal relief, fan-out, plane layers, Gerber and G-code output, flexible PCB layout, and more. For example, let's see the schematic diagram, PCB layout, and the 3D view of a flasher circuit, placed on a flex PCB. Since 2014, Infineon Technologies, one of the world leaders in the power electronics industry, has been using TINACloud as the engine for its online prototyping tool, Infineon Designer. TINACloud and TINA include thousands of models of Infineon's LED drivers, high voltage, high power, RF, MCU, and other parts, along with a large number of industrial prototypes and application circuits that can be processed and developed further in both TINA and TINACloud. TINA and TINACloud are powerful design and analysis tools for the advancement of electronic circuits. New users will find the software robust and easy to learn, while experienced designers and educators will appreciate the rich component libraries, symbolic analysis capability, and integration of SPICE with HDL for the analysis of complex, mixed-signal circuits. Whether you are a student, educator, or longtime circuit designer, TINA and TINACloud combine to deliver high-performance circuit analysis that is easy to use and accessible both offline and online. Much more than another SPICE program, this is software that can help you advance your ideas, your product definition, and your understanding of complex electronic circuit behavior. For more information, visit our website at tinacloud.com. Visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/TINA DesignSuite.